The best way to cook chicken wings is in the microwave. I love chicken wings, but they're such a faff to make. This method takes less than 10 minutes to make and guarantees delicious wings every time. Get some top quality chicken wings and give them a wash in some warm soapy water to get rid of all the chicken wee. Then get some flour on the wings to get them all crispy like. Don't skip this part. Now you just have to glug some grease onto the chicken so it's all covered up, and then get a lid on it. Over to the Mickey Wave now for 5 minutes on full belt. Keep them in there until the wings turn from pink to brown and crispy. Get them out onto a plate and serve them however you want. I like mine with some yummy squeezy mayo. Mayo goes with absolutely anything, doesn't it? So juicy, moist and delicious. You have to try this.